Hello, children. Very good morning to you. Let us continue the lesson. Okay. Yes. Open page number 41 in your English textbook. Yes. In our previous class, we discussed up to this one, page number 41. What is the story where we stopped means that Black Beauty and the Black Beauty's master, Square Garden, they are decided to go for the town for the purpose of business. Okay, by using that cart, dog cart means that is one of the two-wheel cart. Got it? Pulled by that horse, Black Beauty. Yes, and also they want to cross that river, cross that bridge before reaches to the town. This up to here we discussed. Understood? Yes. Turn the page number 42. Yes. See here. We reached town, but my master's business took a long time. We started for home late in the afternoon. Okay. The wind is very strong. I hope we get out of the woods soon. Yes. So what happened later? Finally, that Black Beauty and also the masters of that Black Beauty means Square Garden, got it? They finally reached the town. But what happened later means that they went for the purpose of business to the town. So that business took a long time in the town, got it? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ದಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಟ್ ದ town only. Okay. When they started to move again to the home, that is quite late. Okay. So that is the matter in the town. And then when they are again coming return to the home, what happened means that the wind is blowing too strongly. Okay. What happened later? Wind is blowing too strongly. Got it? So that is decided they want to move, they want to reach very soon to the home. Like that they are also ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ವಿಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಟು ದ ಹೋಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Suddenly, an oak fell across our path. Okay, what happened later? Suddenly, one oak tree that is fell across the path completely. That path is blocked. Okay. They can't move again. They can't move next. That is the problem they are facing because of the strong wind. Okay. Previously that watchman of that near the bridge, he told to them. Okay. Is it right? He already told, don't move, don't cross the bridge because it is one of the high tide time. Okay. So don't cross the bridge, like that he told. Then also they crossed and also they completed the business. Again they are coming back to the home. This is the story here. Okay. Because of the strong wind, now they are facing the problem. Okay. Problem on that way. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿಂಡಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ನೌ? ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪಾತ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ river. Okay. Yes. What happened again? They are discussing together because of the strong wind. That oak also fell across the path. Like that again they are thinking, if again we are continuing our journey means again we will face some problem because of the climatic condition, because of this condition, strong wind. So it is not suitable. What we can do? Like that they are discussing each other. Okay. Like that. Next. By the time we reached the bridge, it was already dark. Go on, Beauty. Yes. What happened later? See here. By facing some other problems, finally they reached near to the bridge again. Which bridge they are crossed in morning time? No, that the same bridge. Near that same bridge again they reached, but when they crossed before, that is daytime. Okay. So easily they crossed the bridge and reached to the town. But now it is different. Why it is different means that when they reached the bridge, no, that is already dark, means that is already night. Okay, so that square gardens means black beauty's master telling to the black beauty, go on beauty, like that. Okay, beauty means black beauty, that is the meaning, go on beauty, like that he is telling to the black beauty. But that black beauty is thinking something, understood, that is not ready to cross the bridge. Okay, that black beauty stopped near that ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆದರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಹೌ ಈಸಿಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ನೋ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತೋ ಆ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಶೂರ್ಲಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೇರ್ಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೂವ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್. That black beauty won't ready to cross the bridge, but again that is thinking something, means something is wrong there. If we want to cross the bridge, if we move to cross the bridge, means something is wrong there, like that black beauty is thinking, so that is not ready to cross the bridge. Understood? So again they are getting tension. Okay, they are getting, and in that two people, one is getting down and also pulling that horse like that, come on beauty, like that he is telling and pulling that horse. Okay, but that is refused to move. Understood what is happening here? They are pulling, they want to cross the bridge. Who? That two persons. Square garden means another one person. They want to cross the bridge and reach to the home, but black beauty refused to move. Okay, because that black beauty knows something wrong is there, like that something is wrong there, like that it is thinking, so it is won't, sorry, it is won't move next. Okay, yes, see here. Just then the guard at toll gate shouted, stop, stop right now, like that. Okay, yes, what happened later? They are telling with the black beauty, come on beauty, like that. Okay, it's already too late, we want to reach the home very fastly, otherwise it is again becoming midnight, like that they are talking about the telling with the black beauty. But that is not only moving, okay, that is stood in a constant place. Okay, at the same time what happened later means, when that this two person, means square garden and another one business person, met that guard of that toll gate, no, means near that bridge, they already met that one person. He told to should not cross the bridge like that, because it is the time of tide, he told, no. At same person again shouting like that. Okay, what he is shouting means, don't cross the bridge, stop there, stop right now, like that he is shouting. Okay, who is shouting here? That guard of that toll gate. Okay, he is shouting here. Next, what happened later? See this image here. What the bridge they crossed in the morning, because of the heavy rain and the wind, that bridge already went. Okay, there is no bridge because of the heavy rain. If black beauty is moving on the bridge, means what will happen here? Definitely they will fall into the water. Okay, because there is no bridge, that bridge is breaking. Got it? Broken here. So what the black beauty is decide, that is correct in the story. Okay, what that the two people are thinking, that is actually wrong. Okay, if black beauty agree to move next, means definitely something will happen here, some problem will happen here. Okay, so this is the image. Next, turn the page number 44. My master gently turned me to another road. I quietly trotted and reached home. Okay, what happened later? That road is not proper because of the heavy wind and also the heavy rain. So that master, means Black Beauty's master, decided to move from the another road. Okay, they came from the another road and finally they reached to the home. Okay, one woman is already waiting for them. Okay, when they reached near the home, one woman is waiting for them because it is too late. Got it? Because it is night time and also heavy wind and heavy rain also they are getting. So she is waiting here. Again, when she saw that Black Beauty and also two businessmen here, she want to ask with them, are you all right? I was so worried about you all. Like that, she is asking to the Square Gardens and another one person. Okay, are you all right? Why she is asking like that means because of the climatic condition, because of that heavy wind and also heavy rain. Okay, so she is asking like that. Yes. Next, we are all right because of Black Beauty. We could have been carried down the river if Beauty hadn't refused to cross the bridge. Yes. What Square Garden replied to the woman means here, yes, we are all right and nothing has happened for us, like that. He want to reply to the woman here. Why they are safe now? Got it? In that critical condition also, they with very safety they reach to the home. No, that is for the because of that Black Beauty. Understood? Like that, he is telling to the woman, because of the Black Beauty, now we are safe. Okay. If Black Beauty hadn't refused to cross the bridge, because of that we are safe. If that is ready to cross the bridge means definitely we will fall into the water, like that he's telling to the woman. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅವನೇನು ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ವುಮನ್ಗೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೇಡಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಯ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ now we are safe, like that he is telling to the woman. Okay, yes. My master was grateful to me after this incident. He not only cared for us but treated us with love. Understood? What happened later? Because of this incident, that Black Beauty's master was grateful to the Black Beauty. Okay, he is not only cared for us but he treated us with the love, like that it is telling. Okay, so this is one of the story, small story taken from the taken from the novel of Black Beauty, written by the Anna Sewell. Okay, so this is one of the wonderful story about that horse. Means what is this theme of the story? We must give respect to how we people are having rights to live on this earth, no, like that other animal, bird and many other things also having right to live on this earth. Okay, but what we people are doing nowadays means we are destroying their rights. Okay, we are thinking about us only. Okay, not for others, like that. So should not do like that. Okay, we have to show sympathy and also understanding that treatment towards the animals, that is our ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಕೂಡ, ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಿಲ್ ದೆಮ್, ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋ ಎ ಕ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು write in your homework note. Okay, thank you.